Welcome to a groundbreaking episode of Token Trendz, where we're not just discussing Bitcoin, we're unraveling a digital revolution. Today's adventure is for everyone, from those taking their first steps into the crypto universe to the seasoned traders riding the wave of blockchain innovation. This episode is a key to unlock the mysteries and marvels of Bitcoin's technology. Picture a world where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality powered by a digital currency called Bitcoin. In the shadow of the 2008 financial crisis, a visionary known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, not just as a new form of money, but as a beacon of hope in a centralized financial world. This was the genesis of an era where control, transparency, and independence became the pillars of a new financial system. But what makes Bitcoin a groundbreaking phenomenon? It's more than digital gold. It's the embodiment of a technology that defies the norms. Blockchain. This isn't just a tech buzzword. It's the heartbeat of Bitcoin. A marvel of digital ingenuity that has reshaped how we view security, transactions, and autonomy. As we dive deep into the heart of blockchain technology, we'll uncover its inner workings in a way that's both enlightening and exhilarating. We'll demystify how it safeguards every Bitcoin transaction, creating an unbreakable chain of digital trust. From the intricate dance of mining that powers this ecosystem to the relentless evolution of this technology, every moment of this journey promises to be a revelation. This exploration isn't just a lesson, it's an experience. For the beginners, it's a gateway to clarity. For the experts, it's a deeper dive into the world they thought they knew. Join us as we embark on this enthralling expedition to decode Bitcoin's technology, equipping you with knowledge and insights to master the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. Let the adventure begin. The birth of Bitcoin, our journey into the heart of Bitcoin, begins with its extraordinary birth. In a world reeling from financial instability, Bitcoin emerged not just as a new currency, but as a symbol of change and a testament to financial innovation. The year was 2008, a time marked by economic turmoil. Amidst this chaos, an individual or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This document wasn't merely a technical blueprint, it was a manifesto for a new era of finance. It proposed a system where money could be sent directly from one person to another without going through a financial institution. A revolutionary idea that challenged the very foundations of traditional banking. But how did this idea turn into reality? The first Bitcoin software was released in 2009, inviting users to mine Bitcoin and validate transactions. The very first transaction, a now legendary moment, involved Nakamoto sending 10 Bitcoins to a computer scientist named Hal Finney. This marked the first exchange of value in the Bitcoin network and set the stage for a future W-here digital currency could be as common as email. What fueled Bitcoin's early growth was not just its technology, but its philosophy. It resonated with those disillusioned by the existing financial system, a system opaque, centralized, and often failing to serve the needs of the many. Bitcoin offered a glimmer of hope, a decentralized currency owned not by states or banks, but by its users. This segment of our story is crucial. It lays the groundwork for understanding Bitcoin's appeal and potential. From these humble beginnings, Bitcoin grew, not just in value, but as a community and a movement. Early adopters weren't just investing in a new currency, they were supporting a vision of financial freedom and autonomy. As we reflect on Bitcoin's origin, it's not just about understanding a digital currency. It's about appreciating a bold idea that dared to redefine money, and in doing so, challenged us to reimagine our relationship with it. This is the essence of Bitcoin's birth, a disruptive innovation born out of necessity, ingenuity, and a desire for change. In the next segment, we'll dive deeper into the technology that makes Bitcoin not just possible, but powerful. Stay tuned as we explore the inner workings of blockchain, the technology that underpins Bitcoin and ensures its security, transparency, and reliability. Blockchain technology explained. As we journey deeper into the world of Bitcoin, we encounter its backbone, the blockchain. This technology is not just the foundation upon which Bitcoin rests. It's the revolutionary force that has redefined the concept of digital trust and security. Blockchain is in essence a digital ledger, but it's not just any ledger. It is a decentralized and distributed database maintained across multiple computers, making it nearly impervious to tampering and fraud. Each block in the blockchain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs, it's recorded in each participant's ledger. This decentralization is what makes Bitcoin both secure and revolutionary. But how does blockchain achieve this security? The answer lies in the unique combination of cryptographic principles and consensus mechanisms. When a transaction is made, it is encrypted and linked to the previous transaction, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. This linkage ensures that every transaction is permanent and visible, making fraud almost impossible. One of the most remarkable aspects of blockchain is its transparency. Every transaction is visible to anyone in the network, creating an unprecedented level of openness in financial transactions. Yet, despite this transparency, the identities of the parties involved are protected through sophisticated cryptography. This balance of openness and privacy is what makes blockchain a groundbreaking innovation. Another key feature of blockchain is its immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This permanence ensures the integrity of every transaction, building trust in the system. It's a stark contrast to traditional financial systems, where transactions can often be obscured or altered. But blockchain isn't just a static technology, it's constantly evolving. Over the years, it has grown from a simple ledger for Bitcoin transactions to a platform for a wide range of applications, from smart contracts to decentralized finance. This versatility is part of what makes blockchain so powerful and so promising for the future. In this segment, we've only scratched the surface of blockchain technology. Its implications extend far beyond Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize not just finance, but many aspects of our digital lives. As we continue to explore Bitcoin, keep in mind that at its core, it's powered by this remarkable technology, blockchain. Up next, we'll take a closer look at the process that keeps the Bitcoin network running, mining. Stay tuned as we uncover the intricacies of Bitcoin mining, the role of miners, and the challenges they face in our next segment. The mining process is our exploration of Bitcoin, a crucial element that keeps this digital currency operational is the mining process. Mining is not just about creating new Bitcoins. It's the engine that drives the entire Bitcoin network, ensuring security, trust, and continuity. At its core, Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying and adding transaction records to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, a task that requires significant computational power and energy. When these problems are solved, a new block of transactions is added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with a certain number of Bitcoins. This reward serves as an incentive for miners to continue supporting the network. But what exactly are these mathematical problems, and why are they important? These problems are cryptographic puzzles that are integral to the security of the blockchain. By solving these puzzles, miners validate transactions and ensure the integrity of the blockchain. This process is known as proof of work, and it's what makes Bitcoin resistant to fraud and cyber attacks. Mining has evolved significantly since Bitcoin's inception. In the early days, mining was possible with ordinary computers. However, as Bitcoin grew in popularity, so did the complexity of mining. Today, mining requires specialized hardware known as ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, which are designed specifically for mining Bitcoin. This evolution has led to the creation of mining pools, groups of miners who combine their computational resources to increase their chances of solving the puzzles and earning rewards. While mining pools offer individual miners a more stable income, They also raise concerns about the centralization of mining power. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining is another important aspect. The high energy consumption required for mining, especially in regions where energy is mainly sourced from fossil fuels, has raised environmental concerns. This has prompted a push towards more sustainable mining practices and the use of renewable energy sources. As we delve into the world of Bitcoin mining, we see a complex ecosystem that balances innovation with challenges. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the Bitcoin network and the dedication of the mining community, but it's also a field that's constantly evolving, facing new challenges and opportunities as Bitcoin continues to grow. In the next segment, we'll explore Bitcoin's challenges and innovations. We'll look at the issues facing Bitcoin today and the solutions being proposed to ensure its future as a resilient and sustainable digital currency. Stay tuned as we continue our deep dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin, Bitcoin's challenges and innovations. As we navigate further into the world of Bitcoin, it becomes clear that this pioneering digital currency is not without its challenges. However, with challenges come opportunities for innovation and growth. In this segment, we delve into the hurdles Bitcoin faces and the creative solutions that are shaping its future. One of the most talked about challenges is scalability. Bitcoin's current infrastructure limits the number of transactions it can process within a given time. This limitation has led to increased transaction fees and slower processing times during periods of high demand. For Bitcoin to continue its growth and become a widely used currency, solving this scalability issue is paramount. Enter the realm of innovative solutions. Developers and Bitcoin enthusiasts have been working on various scalability solutions. One notable development is the Lightning Network, a Layer 2 payment protocol that operates on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. It enables faster and more cost-effective transactions by allowing users to create payment channels between any two parties on that extra layer. This innovation is seen as a game changer, potentially alleviating Bitcoin's scalability concerns. Another area of innovation is in the realm of sustainability, particularly concerning Bitcoin mining. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, due to its high energy consumption, has been a point of contention. This concern has sparked a movement towards more sustainable mining practices. Initiatives like the use of renewable energy sources and the development of more energy-efficient mining hardware are gaining traction. These efforts aim not only to reduce the environmental footprint of Bitcoin mining, but also to ensure its long-term viability. Regulation is also a significant challenge for Bitcoin. As cryptocurrencies gain popularity, governments and financial institutions worldwide are grappling with how to regulate them. The regulatory landscape is still evolving, with some countries embracing cryptocurrencies and others imposing strict regulation. Navigating this uncertain terrain is crucial for the future of Bitcoin, as it impacts its adoption, stability, and perception in the mainstream financial world. As we look to the future, it's evident that Bitcoin is at a crossroads. The path it takes will be shaped by how it addresses these challenges and harnesses the power of innovation. From technological advancements to regulatory adaptability, the journey ahead for Bitcoin is as exciting as it is uncertain. In our final segment, we'll wrap up our exploration of Bitcoin, summarizing the key takeaways and reflecting on the incredible journey of this digital currency. Stay with us as we conclude this enlightening expedition into Bitcoin and its potential to redefine the future of finance.